So now let's see how we can work around with videos inside of Canva. So to bring in videos, I'm going to click on the videos tab right over here. And then you can search for different videos as per your choice and then bring it in. So to bring in a video, I'm just going to click on this video right over here, which is an aerial shot. So let me just click on it and you can see that the video has been brought in. So just like an image, you can rotate around the video right over here, just like this. And you can crop out the video as well, as you can see right over there. So you have the crop option over here where you're allowed to crop out a certain section of the video right over here, and only that part will be playing out over here once you click out of it. There's also trimming video part over here where you can trim out the video. Right now the full length of the video, that is 15 seconds, is being played out, but you can go over here and trim out certain section of the video. So let's say you want to trim out only this part, that is the video should start from around 5 seconds and then it should end around 10 seconds, that is 5 seconds of footage should be there only. So once you're happy, you can click done and you can see that now only 5 seconds of video footage is there, and that is how you can trim the video clip as well. What you can also do is you can right click and then set the video as a background, so it is set as a background as you can see right here. So you got a video background just like that. And as you play this around, only the video will be played around as you can see right here. Only the background video, that is 5 seconds, will be played around over there. And that is how you can add in videos and work with videos inside of Canva.